So peeps, this are the finishing touch with the fish tea. Dumpling cook, everything cook, season, good to go. We have a scotch bonnet pepper, them in there, we don't know exactly where they're in there, but hopefully they're no bust. But they're in there somewhere. So there you have it. Fish tea. Good and ready to go. Alright peeps, welcome back to Andine's TV here in Andine's kitchen. So today, Jamaican fish tea here in Andine's kitchen. So alright peeps, my wife already gave instructions already. So first thing, I went ahead and I clean the fish. So step one is done. Now we're gonna start the process of making the fish tea. So what we want to do is we want to add the fish into my stock pot that I have here, and I'm gonna start off with 2 gallons of water, and then what I'm gonna do is get that to boil and then reduce, and then hopefully by then, because my wife is sleeping, but these was the instructions that was given. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. See, enough bone in fish out. Oh, grizzly fish though. Nice. Fish go bad. Bad. Then how long you have to come out? This took me a good like a good hour to take out all the bones, and then this is what we're left with. Alright, we have some of our ingredients over here. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare the ingredients and get the fish tea going. Stay tuned, and remember to like, subscribe, and guess what, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. What do you like or what you don't like about fish tea? Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so there we have it. These are going to be all ingredients that I'm going to prepare. I'm going to do like a 1/2 inch dice. So first I'm going to go ahead and prepare my flour, my ribble, aka some small dumplings. I got a piece of squash in there because this is what I'm going to use to give it some nice color. Peeps, thank you so much for your continued support, and we really appreciate it. Alright. Some of the broth off of the fish tea, put this in a one blender and we go blend it up, and this is what's going to give the fish tea a color. Alright peeps, so as mentioned before, this is my I honestly forget what you call this, my squash or my pumpkin. I don't remember exactly what the name is right now because my memory is failing for words, but anyway, as mentioned before, I had this cooking inside the fish tea so it's soft, and then I'm gonna take approximately 3 cups, and I'm gonna 3 cups of the fish tea. This is the liquid from the fish tea to use to blend this to create the color that we're gonna give to the fish tea. Now we're gonna combine all the ingredients in the pot and let it stay there and simmer in our puree. Because this is what's gonna give us that color. Also it will help to thicken it. Right? So there we get that nice color. Now then we go add in 1 can of coconut milk, and I had some chicken stock left over that I wanted to use, so I just combined the chicken stock and the coconut milk, and this is what I'm adding here. Oh, there we have one. We're gonna let this one stay. This one is just gonna cook out. Now we're gonna add our veggies. And we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then we're gonna add our dumpling, and then we're gonna just leave it and let it simmer. Alright peeps, so we have our soup boiling. We have all our food inside already, corn and everything. So everything just go and simmer right now. So right now we just go and add the dumpling them in there. You understand? Because we want the dumpling them to soak. This is a textured dumpling. Alright. We now make it fancy, we just add some little pieces in it. You understand? Nothing too fancy. So we just want this one soak, and then we go add in the fish tea soup, the grace fish tea soup mix. And then we go flavor the pot. So guys, the fish tea process here, the one real process. You understand? When you get one fish tea, you have to appreciate it, because a whole lot of love go into preparing that fish tea thing here. It's a lot of love right here. All of the flour. And everything, so we just go over and make it simmer and soak. Make it go and soak. And all like food and everything, them things they pretty much soft. But we make it go and boil, because the flour is soaking. There you have it, fish tea. Depending finishing up, you know. Alright, boom. Boom bam peeps. So right now we just add the finishing touches. So peeps, we just add in the favorite cock soup mix. We add in several packets of these. We add about 3 packets of fish soup mix, and then we add in 1 packet of the chicken mix, and then we want to add that. So that thing, you know, so now we just go make it everything one soak, and we add the seasonings them and bring it up to flavor and just make it stay there and simmer. As right about now, I have to go pick up wifey. Alright, boom. Need a little bit more flavor in it there. Add some more Mrs. Dash. Want a little bit of heat in it, so we go add some scotch bonnet. We don't want it too spicy, but we want it a little spicy. And then we want some more salt. Try to bring up the flavor. I don't want it too salty, but I want to can taste everything, you understand? See how we are working there now. Alright. Alright. That I want good flavor right there, so. So we good right there, so peeps. So we have to get a little bit more heat. Just a little bit more heat, not too much. But my thing say we first stand right there. Peeps, wanna think about the fish tea, peeps? Leave a comment in the comment section there. Let see what you think about the fish tea. The fish tea I make right in front of you guys, so you can see say boy. Okay, I just straight out of Andy's kitchen. Me are not even Andy's, me I just see the video edit up on the side. Me I cook run the soup today. One thing about my skills, leave a comment and let me know. Alright. Peeps, me like the flavor. Have a nice little spice. Not too spicy. Can get nice chunks of fish in there. Boom bam. Boy. Mm-hmm. Alright, peeps. I eat that right now. And it's TV up, up, and out.